Ready, heroes. Welcome to Super Haroof Heroes. It's time to learn and play.
Assalamu alaikum, friends. How do you do? Do you know who I am? I am the very first letter of the Urdu alphabet. Yes, I always come right at the beginning. Now you've guessed it, haven't you? Yes, I am Alif. Many beautiful Urdu words start with me. Let's learn some of them. Come and see. Alif for Allah, Allah. The one who made us all. Hooray! Alif for Angor, Angor. Juicy purple grapes that we all adore. Alif Fam is for Anda, Anda. Crack it open, it's breakfast agenda. Alif for Amrud, Amrud. Crunchy and green, it's guava food. Alif Fam is for Unt, Unt. He walks across the desert sky. That's all for now, friends. Keep learning with me. Bye-bye.
Bye! Allah Hafiz! Heroes!